Is weed illegal in the UK? Where is cannabis legal and what's the law on smoking and buying marijuana? Cannabis has been completely illegal in the UK since 1971, but now calls are growing for the laws restricting the Class B drug to be relaxed. Here in #X27:s everything you need to know about cannabis laws as they stand in the UK. Cannabis remains illegal to possess, grow, distribute, sell or grow in the UK, according to the Home Office. Being caught with cannabis comes with a maximum of 5 years in prison, an unlimited fine, or both. While being convicted of producing and supplying the Class B drug carries up to 14 years behind bars, an unlimited fine, or both. Police can issue a warning or on-the-spot fine if you and #X27 re caught with a small amount, generally less than 1 ounce, if it is deemed for personal use. The use of most drugs has declined in the UK since records began in 1996, according to a 2016 Home Office survey. It found that cannabis was by some distance the most commonly used drug, with 6.5% of adults aged between 16 and 59 smoking in the previous year. Weed was also the most popular among those aged between 16 and 24, with 15.8% using it in that same time. The next popular drug was powdered cocaine. If you suspect your neighbors are smoking weed in their house, you have the right to contact the police. Your anonymous tip-off will probably ensure that your neighbor gets a knock on their door. This will result in a search of their property if the officers share your suspicions. They could be charged if they are found to be in possession of cannabis, although this is all dependent on their previous convictions. Like all drugs in Britain, weed is regulated extremely stringently by the government. As the punishments suggest, it and #X27 completely illegal to smoke weed anywhere in Britain, including on your own property. However, some police forces have taken a more laid-back attitude to the recreational drug, which is believed to be the most popular in the UK. Prosecution rates for cannabis possession are as low as 15% in Cornwall and Devon, while Durham police have said they will no longer target recreational users at all. Weed has been legalized for personal use in a number of countries, including Norway, the Netherlands and Portugal, which decriminalized the use of all drugs in 2001. Canada legalized cannabis for medicinal purposes in 2001. But by summer 2018, Canada will be the first G7 nation to legalize recreational use of the drug. In Australia, Puerto Rico, Poland, Czech Republic, Canada, Turkey, Croatia and Macedonia it is legal for medicinal purposes. Some U.S. states have legalized marijuana: Alaska, California, Colorado, Maine, Massachusetts, Nevada, Oregon, Vermont, Washington and Washington, D.C. The Liberal Democrats became the first major British political party to support the legalization of cannabis in March 2016.